Hello everyone and welcome back to the new video. Today I'm sharing all my favorite board recipes. These board recipes has got so many eyes on social media and it's pretty natural. They definitely look very appetizing and it can be easily customized to the personal dietary needs. My personal favorites are the hummus pods. I have rinsed and soaked the chickpeas overnight and boiled it in a pressure cooker for 4 to 5 whistles. In a food processor or a blender, I'm going to grind the sesame seeds with little bit of salt and eventually add olive oil after few pulses. Add few tablespoons of Aquafaba or the boiled water from the chickpeas. And then add chickpeas, garlic, lemon juice and keep adding Aquafaba to get to a very creamy consistency. The leftover chickpeas, I'm going to toast it on a tray for 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll add seasoning to turn it into a crispy, crunchy chickpeas. I'll also bake some cherry tomatoes with salt, garlic and olive oil. If you have any fresh herbs like rosemary or oregano, feel free to add it. While that's roasting in the oven, let's make some drinks. I'm serving a simple jaggery mojito where I have just torn some mint leaves, added couple of spoons of jaggery powder, black salt, chaat masala and loads of lemon. I am adding some oregano, sumac, zatar, olive oil and salt and brushing it on the boiled potato wedges. I'll bake this. Traditionally, pesto is made up of pine nuts and basil leaves, but pine nuts in India is super expensive and we can easily replace pine nuts with either walnuts or cashew. Here I am using cashew. The recipe is in description. Another star of the show is this Labneh. Labneh is made out of hung yogurt and this is simple homemade yogurt that I have left on a mesh for overnight. To this I am adding olive oil and minced garlic, salt. And that is it. It creates a delicious combo. The credit here is in whipping this till it turns really fluffy. These Zatar coated oats roti were the most favorite thing on the platter. Every time I make these hummus pods, all the guests in my home are so amazed by the look and the appearance of it. And it is so easy to put together. Here I am using this hummus and swirling it around. And on the other side, I will add labneh. The idea here is to make small little pools where our pesto and all other oiled spices will come in. You do not have to be a perfectionist in doing this. Just keep swirling it automatically small little wells will form. I'll put this baked cherry tomatoes here and use this liquid later on. Fill in the pesto in small little wells that we created. Add crunchy chickpeas and decorate the board with all your favorite snacks like baked potatoes, nachos, chips, Zatar Oats roti, cucumber sticks, apples, carrot sticks, celery sticks. Choice is just endless. Another delicious recipe that you can combine for your next Indian get-together would be these dabeli chaat boards. Chaat boards have recently gained so much popularity on social media, and I feel it is absolutely a delight to enjoy chaat in a new avatar altogether. Here I have soaked some dates and seedless tamarinds in warm water, and I'm taking some baby potatoes on a baking tray and squishing it absolutely flat, and this I'll bake it for 20 minutes on each side at 160 to 170 C based on your oven. They will turn absolutely crisp and will almost feel like tikkis. Instead of making just plain papdi, I am making different types of crackers here. From one single dough, I'll create 3 different types of crackers. One will be multiple seed crackers, another will be jeera ajwain cracker, and one will be chili cheese cracker. These board recipes are one of the best way to bring people together over a conversation on a cozy setting. It's just so informal and easy, perfect for parties and gatherings and other social events. If you're using it for parties or gatherings, you can always pair this with small plates, napkins, utensils to make it easy for your guests to help themselves with this delicious snack. Use your imagination to create colorful and flavorful display, and I'm sure that will impress your guests and make an event super memorable. Dabeli masala is super simple to make, and here I have used some powdered spices, but you can always use whole spices as well. It is so quick and it can stay in the fridge for at least a month or so in an airtight container. To this dabeli masala, I have added boiled potatoes and tamarind date chutney. And the hung yogurt, I am putting it in a piping bag and making some dollops or scallop shapes. Putting it in a piping bag made it really easy. I have also added the dabeli masala in a piping bag because it was a little thick on the consistency. You can always add red chilli powder to add color to your dabeli masala. Top this chaat board with your favorite toppings like pomegranate, sweet tamarind chutney, aloo bhujia, and lots of crackers, potato wedges. I made this delicious chart board recipe for this Holi. My parents were home and I wanted to treat them with something very special, where I could do a meal prep few days before. Small, easy meal preps and homemade food often make simple gathering really a memorable one. Hummus boards are often paired with pita breads, but instead of pita breads, I like to use simple oats roti and cover this with Zatar olive oil and salt. Always cut the rotis in your favorite shape. I personally like these triangles. They are easy to manage and often like to serve them with potato wedges. If you are little like me, then you will always find an option to sneak in vegetables in any kind of food serving. Here I'm making some baba ganoush, which is actually a mash of eggplants which are baked in the oven with little bit of olive oil, garlic and salt. Baba ganoush is not only very delicious, but it's a very healthy dip, easy to make, and can be enjoyed in variety of ways. You can use it, of course, as a dip, but it also makes an excellent spread for sandwiches and toppings for salad. These board platters can be served in deep dishes individually as well, which makes it really easy for each individual to help themselves. If you've enjoyed till here, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me. I hope you enjoyed these board recipe ideas, which has amazing amount of health benefits. It has definitely a visual appeal, and my favorite part is it's super easy to prepare and you can sneak in as many vegetables as you want. I hope this platters have given you inspiration to make something for your family and your loved ones. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye bye.